Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a Readmore tag and what is it and how to use it. So essentially what Readmore tag is, when somebody visits your website and it goes to your home page, your contents are like listed there, and all of them are there in their complete form, like you know is I have two posts in this uh, WordPress site now. If I came down, this is for example, let's say that we have a YouTube link here too. Go to the text and let me copy this, and we came here to the visual. You can see we have two of these, and this is long. This is the long posts. And when someone comes to visit your home page, if I update this, I guess my template doesn't support it, but yeah, it doesn't support. So now when on your home page you see this is untitled article, you see this is all of the everything I've written is here, and for you to see the next article you have to scroll down all the way to see them. But as I have it already here, there is a tag called read more in HTML. I don't know that, are you familiar with HTML code or not? These are HTML codes: strong, div, h2. These are all HTML codes. uh, there's read more tag that allows you to stop your content whenever you like this place, leap into and continue reading. Now, how you can create that in your own template? All you need to do is just choose the place that you want that to your article to end. And for example, I want it to end here. Only in this place you can see the only you can see until this place, and the rest of it is not shown until you click on the continue reading. Now all you need to do is just press the place, go to the place that you want to put your read more tag, and insert, and click on this insert read more tag. So you can see your read more tag is here, and you can whenever someone comes to your website and your home page, they see until this text and they'll see continue reading here, and for reading all of the content they have to click on it. And if you go to the code part, as you can see, we have this lorem ipsum text. We have text, our text is here, and beside this div tag there is another one called more. This is a comment mode code. I guess you're not familiar with HTML, but this is a comment. It's not allowed to be code. It's something for other programmers or themselves to understand what they did here. It says more here, and it does the job that I just told you. If I click on the update and come here, and you refresh your page, you should see it doesn't change because it already has it on its own, and that's how this template works. But in different templates it'll be different. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.